Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to turn off charging sound or turn on charging sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. First of all, put your phone in charger. I put my phone in charger and there is a sound while charging. Okay, if you would like to turn off this sound, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings. Go to settings here. Then go to sounds and vibration, and here select system sound. Here charging sound is turned on already. Okay, just to turn off this button. Now put your phone in charger, and now you will not get that sound, small charging sound. There is no sound. In this way you can easily turn off charging sound. In case you need this sound, just you go to turn on this button and you will have this sound. Okay, wow, nice. In this way you can easily turn off or turn on charging sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.